in the lower 70s. A large area of rain will move across the region today and tonight. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. KHC27 broadcasting from the SCETV tower near Rockville.
Are you kidding me
Carolina,
again?
operating on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. This transmitter is serving Rockville in the Charlotte metropolitan
This is the NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards.
Oh my gosh.
Broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain.
They just screwed it up again.
Operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 11:12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, March 15, 2022. Yesterday's high